constant pain. No umbrella when it's pouring down the rain. Working double shifts just to pay the rent. Every dollar earned, every dollar spent. They say work harder, they say just try, but the ladder's broken and the rent is sky high. Broken shoes on broken streets I walk, while they sip champagne and laugh and talk. I see the lights across the river shine. They built their castles on the sweat of mine. Tell me, when does a man become a name? When does the fire burn both sides the same? Two worlds, one sky, but we don't share the ground. The rich get richer while the rest get drowned. I'm screaming loud, but no one hears the sound. This fire in my chest won't be held down. Two worlds, watch it burn. Every dog will have its turn. We were never meant to crawl. Rise up, rise up, rise above it all. Two worlds, watch it burn. Every dog will have its turn. We were never meant to crawl. Rise up, rise up, rise above it all. Two worlds, watch it burn. You got the mansion, I got the alley. You got the lawyer, I got the tally of every night I slept with an empty stomach. Every time I reached, they said, don't come near it. You were born lucky, call it hard work still. I was born hungry, that's a different drill. So don't you lecture me about the grind. When fortune handed you a head start I could never find. I ain't bitter, I'm on fire. I climbed out the pit, I'm climbing higher. This isn't envy, this is just as loud. I earned my place, I'll make my family proud. One sky, but we're taking the ground. No more drowning, we are not going down. Every voice together makes a deafening sound. This fire in our chest will never be drowned. Two worlds, watch it turn. Let the truth finally burn. We were never meant to crawl. Rise up, rise up, rise above it all. Two worlds, watch it turn. Let the truth finally burn. We were never meant to crawl. Rise up, rise up, rise above it all. Two worlds, watch it. For every child who slept cold tonight, for every soul still fighting for the light, this song is yours, keep burning bright. Your story matters, your life matters.